Hi, welcome to CIDC Nirman. I'm Jayashree Kurup. I'm editor CIDC Nirman, and I have with me Aman Jain. Aman, you are from the IRFC. Tell me something about IRFC when it was set up. What is your role?
Okay, so basically, ma'am, IRFC is a financing arm of Indian Railways, and it is set up in the year 1986. And from that day, it is like financing the Indian Railways. It is working on the lease model, and the rolling stocks, the wagons, and the financing part, like the budgetary requirement of Indian Railways, we are fulfilling it. So the approximately 2/3 of budgetary requirement of Indian Railways is fulfilled by IRFC. And I am Aman Jain, and I have recently joined IRFC. It's been only 2 years that I am working with IRFC, and I am looking after the corporate social responsibility. I am a chartered accountant by profession. So this is all about brief about IRFC.
Right. Were you one of the Vishwakarma awardees today?
No.
Okay. Tell me the amount of budgetary allocations for the railways has been consistently increasing year by year, right?
Right.
Along with, like you said, the rolling stock, the wagons, the signaling and so on.
Agree.
What are the components? Are there various components of the Indian Railways that are financed, and if so, how?
Yes. So basically, what IRFC do? IRFC is financing directly to Indian Railways, because the Ministry of Railways cannot borrow the money from the market. That's why the Railways has already created a public sector undertaking named IRFC. So IRFC is on behalf of Indian Railways borrowing from Indian market as well as international market, and that borrowing is used to create or acquire the rolling stocks or wagons. So the wagons and the rolling stock is manufactured by Indian Railways only, but we are financing them. So it is our assets, and like we are going to lease them. Because like we are getting the lease rentals from them. So there are three types of like locomotives, rolling stocks, and there are wagons, so which we are actually financing to Indian Railways.
Okay. And what is your rating?
So it is sovereign actually. Whatever we are actually borrowing, it is like the sovereign rating.
Like a sovereign rating.
Yes.
Okay. With the budgetary allocations increasing for the Indian Railways, does that alter the way you function as a?
So basically, right, like the budget requirement is day to day increasing, and Indian Railways are expanding a lot of various way. Like Vande Bharat is also like a lot of Vande Bharat is currently welcomed by PM Modi, sir. So yes, our work is also little bit increasing just because of the higher budget expectations from the ministries. And our requirement is actually comes from the Ministry of Railways. So it is very easy for us because it's a finance company, so we can easily borrow from the market because we have the sovereign rating. So it is not that like creating a problem with us, like we can borrow easily from the market.
Do you also raise bonds?
So I am currently looking after the banking and treasury of the IRFC. So it was previously I am looking after the corporate social responsibility as well as the IPO investor relations. So I have not raised any bonds till date because it's been only 2 years that I am working with it, and currently I have changed responsibilities that I will in future definitely raise the bonds as well as banking and treasury I will handle out.
Okay. Tell me something more about your CSR.
Yes, so IRFC approximately having 112 crore rupees budget for the financial year 23-24, and out of that we have allocated all amount, and around 1000 unemployed youths. So basically we have given a CSR training project to CIDC for 1000 unemployed youth which belongs to underprivileged community of the society, and that was approximately 7 crore rupees IRFC has funded under the CSR to the CIDC.
Okay.
And we are working in various aspects also. We are working in the healthcare as well as women empowerment, environment sustainability. There are a lot of projects which are actually going on in the IRFC. We have a very lean manpower company. Around 40 people are working in IRFC, who is handling a big amount of portfolio. It is around 5 trillion.
Okay.
So in terms of AUM, we have 4.5 trillion AUM, asset under management, and it is totally managed by 43 employees only. So we have looking after a lot of departments, like my colleague is also there, Sakshi Saini. So she is looking after the CSR as well as IPO investor relations. I am looking after the banking and treasury. So there are lean manpower, but working in a very dynamic way, so that they are more capable and easy to adapt the things and learn.
Right.
Possibly fine.
Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you so much.